Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back, and let's solve another CTF today. This video is a part of picoCTF series, for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, their category, the challenge name, as well as the difficulty, so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now let's get back to the challenge, and we will continue with Pcap Poisoning. In the previous videos, we have covered verify, scan surprise, secret of the polyglot, and can you see. Uh, Apparently, who is under maintenance, so we will hop on to our next challenge, Pcap Poisoning. So we can download the file from here. Not much description is provided, so we will just go through our checklist, which should be showing here right now, and we will download the file here. So let's see. So we have trace.pcap. .pcap is basically a packet capture file where all the packets are captured, which are sent over in a specific network. So as per the checklist, first we'll check file, and it does tell that it is a pcap capture file. So next thing we have to do in the checklist is strings trace.pcap. As there are a lot, so we will filter out using grep. So strings trace.pcap, filter using pico, and we got the flag. So we'll copy it, paste it here, submit. If you follow the checklist provided, you can easily get to the flag. We first have to check the file. We can check the file extension. We can use file carving. We can use strings. We can also use hexdump, but it should be in our next challenges. We will cover it. In the next video, we will be covering hide me. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.